It's a pleasure to have you here at Toys and RC. In today's video, we're talking about the top 5 RC airplanes to buy in 2026. You won't believe number 1. After extensive research across multiple websites, I've compiled a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or a specific flying purpose, I'm here to help you find the right choice. For more details about each product, you'll find the links in the description below. Keep in mind, this is not a review video, but a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. If you're looking for a truly unique flying experience, the Durafly PNF Auto G2 V2 Gyrocopter with auto start 821mm is the perfect choice. This plug-and-fly auto gyro comes with motor, ESC, servos, and auto start system pre-installed, making assembly quick and straightforward so you can get in the air faster. One of its standout features is the built-in auto start rotor system, which spins up the rotor to optimal speed before takeoff, ensuring shorter, smoother, and more controlled departures. Landings are equally impressive, allowing stable conventional approaches or, with practice, very short near-vertical touchdowns with minimal ground roll. The upgraded V2 version features a stronger, wider landing gear with large bush-style wheels for excellent ground handling on rough terrain. A durable 2mm fiber-reinforced rotor headplate, reinforced push rods, fully encased mast, impact-resistant EPO foam construction, and a lightweight carbon fiber tail boom provide strength without adding unnecessary weight. With its 821mm rotor diameter and lightweight 600-gram design, it delivers ultra-slow flight capabilities, precise rudder coordination, and even gentle aerobatics. The Auto G2 V2 offers an exciting alternative to traditional fixed-wing and helicopter models. A flying experience that stands out every time you take off. Number 4. If you're looking for long, relaxing flights with impressive visual impact, the H-King Paramotor V2 with LED light bar 2400mm PNF delivers performance, stability, and realism in one complete plug-and-fly package. The V2 introduces a newly designed 2400mm high-efficiency parafoil wing with a vibrant color scheme, offering significantly improved stability and much easier launches compared to the original version. Ground takeoffs are possible with light assistance, and smooth extended touch-and-go landings are effortless. Stronger, smoother suspension lines reduce tangling during launch, making setup and takeoff more reliable and stress-free. A standout feature is the super bright LED light bar, illuminating the sail from below and reflecting off the white propeller, allowing you to extend your flights into low-light conditions with stunning visual effect. Clear servo arms add extra realism, while the durable aluminum gondola and 100% ripstop single-skin wing ensure strength and longevity. Powered by a 3530-1400KV brushless motor, 50A ESC with 5A BEC, and two 15kg high-torque metal gear servos, it offers confident control and the ability to perform loops and rolls with practice. With recommended flight weights between 1.6 and 2 kilograms, you can adapt battery choice to wind conditions and enjoy impressive flight times of 20 to 45 minutes. The Paramotor V2 is built for pilots who want stable handling, long flights, and a truly unique RC experience. Number 3. The Durafly DH100 Vampire V3PNFR AF Camo Edition 70mm EDF jet delivers the perfect balance of scale realism, performance, and practicality in a 70mm EDF platform. This V3 edition introduces meaningful upgrades, including additional carbon fiber reinforcement, lighter and simplified landing gear struts, improved ducting and thrust pipe for enhanced efficiency, plus a protective plastic nose and retract fairings for greater durability. The result is a stronger, lighter, and more refined jet with improved flight performance, Finished in authentic RAF camouflage inspired by VX 474 of No. 118 Squadron, 1953, it faithfully captures the elegant lines of one of the RAF's earliest single-engine jet fighters. In the air, the realistic 5-blade EDF sound and detailed factory-applied decals create true scale presence. Powered by a 70mm EDF unit, 2,836 brushless motor, and Aerostar 60 ampere ESC, it offers strong vertical performance, excellent speed, smooth fast passes, large loops, and stable slow flight handling. Supplied in plug-and-fly format with retracts, servos, and electronics pre-installed, assembly is fast and straightforward. Lightweight, powerful, and forgiving, the Vampire V3 is a must-have EDF jet for pilots who value both performance and scale authenticity. Number 2. Built for pilots who demand strength, efficiency, and true long-range capability, the ZOHD Dart XL Enhanced Version, Kit, FPV Flying Wing RC Airplane. 1000mm is a purpose-designed FPV platform that delivers performance without compromise. The enhanced version introduces a redesigned motor mount, reinforced battery bay, integrated carbon fiber spars, optimized airfoil, and a dedicated GPS bay with cover. Its swept-forward wing combined with vortex generators improves lift efficiency, yaw stability, and overall handling, while the aerodynamically designed airflow pod maximizes cooling to onboard electronics, reducing overheating risks during long flights. Constructed from tough EPP foam, the Dart XL is highly impact-resistant and ideal for demanding environments. The large composite nose base supports popular HD cameras such as GoPro, DJI, and RunCam, making it ready for high-quality FPV footage. Precision ball link control systems ensure accurate, responsive handling, and protected servo arms add durability in harder landings. As a kit version, it allows full customization of motor, ESC, servos, and FPV setup to match your performance goals. With a 1000mm wingspan, speeds up to 120 km/h, and impressive lift capability, the Dart XL is the perfect foundation for serious FPV pilots seeking reliability, portability, and extended flight potential. Number 1. The Durafly Ugly Stick V2 PNF Electric Sports Model EPO 1100mm Blue brings one of the most iconic sport designs in RC history into a modern, electric plug-and-fly format. Known for nearly 50 years as a stable, versatile, and fun-to-fly model, the Ugly Stick V2 captures the same legendary flight characteristics, without the noise, mess, or complex setup of old Nitro versions. With electronics pre-installed and a high level of prefabrication, assembly takes only minutes. Simply add your radio system and 3 S-LiPo battery, and you're ready to fly. The V2 features a more powerful 3,536/900 kV brushless motor, a 30 ampere programmable ESC, and 4 9-gram servos, delivering smooth throttle response and strong sport aerobatic capability. It's lighter, more efficient, and offers longer flight times thanks to its low current draw system. The expanded battery bay accommodates 2,600 to 3,000 mAh packs, improving balance and flexibility. In the air, it's forgiving at low speeds with gentle stall behavior, ideal for advancing beginners, yet fully capable of loops, rolls, and classic sport maneuvers when you open the throttle. Finished in a striking high-visibility blue scheme, the Ugly Stick V2 stands out both on the ground and in the sky. A true classic reimagined for today's electric pilot. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.